Okay, so just a quick micro drone PSA video. I haven't done one of these in a while. Something that was frustrating me about the RunCam Split Mini, and this will probably apply to the Split Mini version 1 and the version 2. This one here happens to be the version 2 on the, this is the SPC Maker K1. This review has been delayed. There's nothing wrong with the drone, everything works. It's just that I get massive amounts of jello from the Split Mini version 2 here, and this was very frustrating. It took me a long time, about a month, to figure out what the hell was going on. I did all the normal vibration isolating things, soft mounting the motors, flight controller. We even changed the frames. It's a different frame from the original. I even did vibration dampening inside the camera behind the sensor board, make sure that there wasn't anything there. And after all that, still vibration, massive amounts of jello, and I finally figured out that the reason was the lens element here was defective. So I don't know if you guys know a lot about these lenses, but there's actually multiple lenses inside this little lens here. It looks like one lens, but there's actually the outer lens and there's little pieces inside. Apparently one of them inside there is vibrating when this thing is flying. So we get lots of jello in the video. It's actually worse than jello, it's just massive amounts of shaking. So if you have that problem, you can't figure out why you're getting lots of vibrations in your HD footage from your Split Mini or Split Mini V2, you know, try and swap out the lens. You can buy spare replacement lenses down below. There's a link in the description for that. And yeah, once I get my spare lens, replacement lens for this, I will give you guys a review video on this one. But until that happens, this is going to be delayed a little bit longer. But yeah, what I did is I took the lens out of here, and then I put lens in this one from another one, Split Mini, that I knew didn't have any jello issues. And once I did that, the vibrations went away, and I got good videos. So it wasn't the frame, it wasn't the soft mounting or anything like that. It wasn't even the PID tune, nothing like that mattered until I switched the lens out. So if you guys are watching this video, if you're having jello issues and you can't figure out why after doing all the other things, check your lens, swap it out with another one where you know it is good. Because that's the thing, you got to make sure that you know that that lens is good, and that should solve your jello problems. Anyway, hope this video helps you guys out, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.